This is how to install the pre-release iPhone app Memorise Music. In the Facebook app on your phone, search for Memorise Music. You should see the Memorise Music page, with the owl logo. Swipe down to see the install instructions. Click the first link. The prototype uses Apple's Test Flight app to download, instead of the standard App Store. Tap View in App Store. And you will be taken to the App Store app on your phone to install Test Flight. Tap the download button to install it. And then open it. Allow notifications will let you get new versions as they get released. Now you can install it. And then open it. Do allow notifications for the app, as these will remind you that you are forgetting the phrases that you want to remember. And away you go. For feedback or suggestions, you can tap the top left settings icon and message me. Thanks for listening.